Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have a full transformation on this Hyundai Sonata. So I'm starting this video off differently than usual. I'm already at the location and it's a full interior detail. So that includes, for this case, just seat shampoo. Carpet shampoo isn't really needed, maybe just some touch-up spots. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what we're working with and let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, pretty good build-up. It should be a really nice transformation. Should probably take me right around an hour and a half to 2 hours, and I will see you guys with the final product. that is a wrap on this Hyundai Sonata. That's a full interior detail. I'm gonna go ahead and call the client out now to get a honest reaction and see what she has to say. All right, so we did a full interior detail. Just let me know if you see anything still.
I'm looking for that phone case. It looks so good.
And then you've been with Integrity Polish for about how long now?
I don't know, a year?
Going on a year, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you've been with Integrity Polish for about a year now, going on a year. What do you think about me and my business as your mobile detailing service?
The best. 10 out of 10.
Okay. And you would recommend it to
Everybody. I do recommend you all the time.
I appreciate that. Okay, cool. And then you want to keep checking it out, or what do you think?
I mean, you do it great every time, so.
Cool. And then is
I
there a
have no
scent you would like? Black ice, vanilla,
What's
or
the
new
one
car?
Do you have the one that you make?
Yeah,
I want that one.
yeah. They're all with my brand on them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Oh, vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay. And quickly, Nikki here has a business of her own, so I'm gonna let her shout herself out quickly.
Peachy City Stays, y'all, on Instagram. We do cleaning, residential, and Airbnbs.
Yeah. So go check her out. Peachy City
Stays.
Stays on Instagram. So if you need your Airbnb, house, or anything
Commercials this year, too.
commercial, residential, cleaned in the Atlanta area, this is who you go to. With that being said, I will pick you guys back up in a second. All right, you guys, that is a wrap on this video. I hope you did enjoy that transformation. That was a full interior detail on a Hyundai Sonata with a customer's reaction slash interview slash shout out. I'm gonna try to incorporate my clientele into more videos. I just feel like it brings more reality or more realness, however you want to say it, more depth as well into the videos. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. If you did like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you have any feedback, good, bad, negative, positive, any opinions, please make sure to leave it in the comments below. I do read everything, and I look forward to seeing what you guys have to say. This is a journey that I plan to continue for years from now, so I'm excited to take you guys along with me and see where this gets us. Anyways, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.